Hello guys, I'm back. This is Moxie day 33. And today I don't want to talk about anything specific like a frame or new development on the product side on Moxie. I want to take you through my thinking about how am I probably going to restructure my portfolio. Because I've been buying Moxie through a contract as well as through the wallet for a relatively long time, and I've invested it into channels, the well-known channels, the well-known creators, and I think we are getting to the point that I still believe that the thesis is still the same. So everything is going to go up, the number is going to go up. Simply because new people will join. Moxie is really still new for most people. There's only, there's still less than 5,000 holders of Moxie fan tokens, yet there's over 90,000 holders of Moxie. So that whole thing will still explode. The question is, what will explode more? Because once you have a portfolio which is growing, you can basically say, fuck it, I am not gonna spend any more time on this and I just want it to grow, which is totally fine. I would do it with most of the investments in the stock market typically, unless it's options trading. But for the Moxie, it seems shame. First of all, it's a game. We should look at it as a game. And second of all, I think there are some interesting opportunities to make it let's say, to make it big in terms of rewards. And let me start here. So, what I want to say, why I'm saying it can be big in terms of rewards is, if you look at the typical large channel token, it will grow 100% over the lifetime, maybe 150%. But then, you have smaller creators, 2,000 followers, Perry, and look at that, 1,000% on the fan token, which launched in August. So basically, this is about a month-old token, 1,000%. So this is one thing I will be looking for. I will be looking for smaller creator auctions where you can come in, get a decent allocation for a good price, and basically just let the person build the community and get their fans onboarded, because a lot of times it's not that people are not aware, but if you are a smaller collector or a smaller creator, it kind of takes time before you onboard everybody on your idea. I would say on your fan token as well. Maybe you need to join some channels like Success or Degen or Earthstake and be more visible there. Maybe you just need to activate your community, whatever it may be. One thing I want to show you. I said 100%, but this is relatively new token, so it's 1 week old. That's why I bought Maxine, actually, even though her price is relatively high. I like tokens which have prices below 100. It's a herd mentality, we all have it. People like to own more of something, even though, it's probably because Maxine had, low amount of tokens issued. You had probably like, 500 tokens. You can see the balances here. I bought 20. So it's 400, 500, 520 tokens issued. So the 100 may be totally, fine. If I would be deciding my auction now, I will issue, say, 10,000 tokens. So it will be like 1 token per follower almost. And I would be super happy if the price would be 10 rather than 100, simply because people could own more tokens. They would feel like they own more, and then the price chart might look different. Why I was showing you the bookmark frame from Nikolai, he's amazing, isn't he? Is that if I have time, I would do a little bit of research on the person you are trying to bid on, if you don't know them well. And I would go into the frame actually, and I would, put their username here. So we could try, what was the name? We could definitely try Creator Canyon and see where they are casting and how often. And, you'd see pretty big Pokemon fan. There's 1,000 replies, and it's actually pretty active fellow, so I'm not surprised the price is going up. And this might be your gag on, like, is the person actually active on Farcaster? Are they active in any community? There may be totally irrelevant communities for you because, you don't like Pokemon or you don't like LP. Or reply guys, but you will see, for example, success. That's a good mark because Fan Token Tavern as well, Wildcard Club, because these are very active communities which support each other. There are people involved in these which have huge scores. So interacting with Maretus or Wake or other people with like far score of 100 plus, obviously, makes your day look a little different on Moxie rewards. So that would be one thing. And I would then probably also check if the token is already after the auction. I sometimes come here and basically check who changed the token splits. And I would go through the same logic, I would check what they do, which channels they cast in, what's the price, how old is the token, and if I, see some interesting changes, I would basically go and try to see the token and probably buy, because I would like to see, this number after a month on some part of my portfolio. I'm not saying I'm going to restructure the whole portfolio, but I'm definitely going to sell some established channels and people where I have solid amount of Moxie fan tokens, and I will try to invest it into someone who is starting and has a great potential for the numbers which you will not see from Farcaster Network, for example, or Success channel anymore. Again, my opinion, you do your research. I just wanted to share this because it felt like I talk about this a lot with different people, and I never sort of made time to summarize it into something which is like easy to follow. So here you have it. Thank you, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, and maybe tomorrow there is something new launching on the product side from the Tech team. So let's be on the lookout for what's happening. See you tomorrow.